There is a new feature to create Kinematics Tree in Machine Wizard automatically. Use machine learning to simplify SMK Wizard process and help users to improve their productivity. In Machine Tool Builder application, open the Machine Wizard. Select a matching machine template from machine type list. Activate the Enable Machine Learning Assistant Creating Kinematics Tree option. And specify a machine 0. Switch to Geometry Selection tab. The Fill in the Geometry with Machine Learning Predicted Results option is new. Click this button. The machine learning begins to predict. NX is identifying and specifying machine base, tool end and part end geometry, and machine axis component. When it's done, NX will prompt machine learning prediction finished. Users can check and modify the results given by the AI. With the continuous use of machine learning, the accuracy rate will gradually improve. Compared to current SMK Wizard process, users can get machine kinematics created with much less steps and time.